Hello, this is Crypto Ivan. Welcome to a new video on my channel. Today I will present you a hardware wallet called KEYSTONE 3 Pro. First we will unbox it and then I will show you how it works and tell you all the details. So I invite you to watch. The wallet comes to us in a blue box like this. It looks very professional and on one side we can see information about what's inside. So there is our hardware wallet, user manual, 6 seed sheets, USB-C cable and jelly tape. The box is secured so we can check if someone opened it before us or not. So I tear off the security and then we have another box, this time black, in which is our wallet and everything else. Now we see 3 simple steps and we open the box. At the beginning there is a short instruction what is in which place and we have our wonderful wallet, which at first glance looks very good. We start it and see what's next. In the next box we have thanks for the purchase and instructions, and in the next we have recovery sheets. Returning to the wallet, after starting it we have to choose the language and go to create a wallet. We enter the PIN, then verify it and name our wallet. Then all you need to do is set the seed phrase. After doing that, the wallet is created and you are redirected to the wallet's main page. Here we can choose which cryptocurrencies we want to see and a number of other options. Now we will go to the KEYSTONE website and I will tell you more about them and the KEYSTONE 3 Pro wallet, which you can buy cheaper with my code. Welcome to the KEYSTONE website. KEYSTONE offers seamless compatibility with leading wallets such as MetaMask, OKX wallet, Tonekeeper, Soltaire, Backpack Blue, Kepler, Ethereum, Zashi and others, ensuring top-tier security for a wide range of cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin and Ethereum. Here you can buy the KEYSTONE 3 Pro, so we can click it. And okay guys, as you can see it costs $149, but we can get discount. You can get discount. You can click add to cart here. And the next you need to just use my code CryptoIVEN and you will get 5% discount on the KEYSTONE 3 Pro. So I recommend you to use my code and you will just save $745. Here you can check out and go next. Okay guys, I will go back, so let's go to the home. And let's see what we have at the bottom. Open source pioneer, don't trust, verify, airgapped mode, completely isolation, no network risk, support 3 seed phrases. Why buy 3 when one does it all? Okay, trusted by, you can see how many firms trust to KEYSTONE. Ledger users upgrading to KEYSTONE can receive an exclusive 20% discount. It is very good too. From monochrome small screen to 4-inch full color display, from 2 physical buttons to intuitive touchscreen controls, and from closed source to open source software and hardware. You can upgrade it here if you want, if you already have a Ledger. Concerned about online hacks, KEYSTONE keeps your crypto physically secure by staying completely offline. No network, no hacks, 100% complete offline. As you can see here, the bedrock of hardware wallet security. You can click here and read more on the blog of KEYSTONE. I will go back. Trust what you can see in closed source. You never know where your assets are stored, but KEYSTONE is fully open source, so it's a really good plus for us. Transparent, trusted security you can see. Support for major Web3 wallets, exceptional compatibility. A dynamic and expanding ecosystem. Keystone seamlessly integrates with top-tier software wallets, supports leading cryptocurrencies and keeps pace with the hottest projects in the Web3 ecosystem, providing a comprehensive cold wallet solution. Here you can check the roadmap of the Keystone if you want, of course. Here is the wallets. MetaMask covers all IVEN chains, essential cryptos, tokens and dApps, while Keystone's partnership ensures seamless support for enhanced secure user experience. Here is the OKX wallet. Supports over 70 public chains, and Keystone continues to integrate popular features such as public chains and tokens on OKX wallet. Okay guys, here are all assets. The supports for some tokens varies across chains. Please visit the wallets assets page for more information. Here you can just check it and click. Here you can click for more. How much they supported: 5,500 plus coins and tokens, 200 plus blockchains, 30 plus software wallets. So you can read it by yourself if you want. And we go next. Touchscreen, easy to use, secure and convenient for beginners and pros alike. Manage up to 3 sets of seed phrases with seamless account switching experience, convenience like never before. 3-in-1. Configure your device to hold BTC only or altcoins. Security partners and FAQ. If you have any question, maybe you will find an answer here, so you can check it too if you want. Experience Keystone's excellence yourself. So here we have something like a video review, so it's just the same what I do for you. Voices from communities. Deep dive into Keystone. Bucket by the best. What are you waiting for? Keep your crypto assets secured with Keystone. Here you can buy the Keystone 3 Pro 2, and here you can just subscribe to their newsletter. Here you can put the email and subscribe. Here you have all social media of this project of Keystone. Here you can contact them. And okay guys, I think we will go to the top of the website. And here we have products, Keystone 3 Pro. We will click it and I will give you more information about this exactly wallet. So Keystone 3 Pro is the only hardware wallet equipped with 3 security chips to securely manage multiple crypto accounts. Its air-gapped mode eliminates all connectivity risks, ensuring maximum security for your assets. So we have 3 variants here, as you can see. It's a 3 Pro, 3 Pro Plus SD card, and 3 Pro Plus a wallet pouch. So it's something like this, and it costs $175, and it costs $163, as you can see here. And then we can choose a guarantee. So 1 year is free, 2 year $5, and 3 year $100. The wallet is have open source QR code, MetaMask mobile, 4-inch touchscreen, 3 secure element chips, Shamir backup, fingerprint authentication, 3 seed phrases, PCA level self-destruct, and passphrase. Okay guys, let's go to the bottom. 20% off discount for Ledger users, so it's that, like I told you before, elevating your crypto security. Here you can view full video. Now we on the security. Security first, your assets safeguarded by us. 3 secure element chips, air-gapped cold wallet, and a PCE level anti-tamper features. Open source cold wallet, anti-blind signing, the most compatible hardware wallet for your needs. So I told you before, Cryptocurrency assets. Okay, I think it's the same as I told you. Multi-chain, full color display, your asset at your fingerprints. 3-in-1, yeah, of course. Okay, guys, here you have Keystone versus competitors. So it's really interesting. Keystone 3 Pro. You can just see how many advantages have the Keystone 3 Pro. And the FAQ, what is in the box. And you may also like. Okay guys, I think I show you all, so thanks you for watching this part of video, and we go to another part. Now I will show you all the advantages of Keystone 3 Pro and tell you more about this wallet. The Keystone 3 Pro stands out as a robust and reliable hardware wallet equipped with industry-leading security features that cater to users who prioritize the utmost protection for their digital assets. Its integration with a wide array of wallet applications ensures that software support is comprehensive and versatile, making it suitable for various use cases and preferences. One of Keystone 3 Pro's defining advantages is its unique approach to security. The use of QR code transactions for signing ensures that the wallet remains air-gapped, significantly reducing the risk of malware and unauthorized access. Additionally, the implementation of the Samir secret sharing scheme provides us a sophisticated method for securing and recovering backup seeds, a feature that sets it apart from competitors like Ledger. For anyone prioritizing security above all else, the Keystone 3 Pro is a worthy investment in the world of hardware wallets.